In this lecture, we are going to know about swept blend. In the previous lecture, we had learned about different options in the sweep command. Swept blend is advanced command to sweep. In the sweep command, we can create only one sweep profile. While in case of swept blend, you can select multiple profile. To understand this, I will go to sketch and let's say select this top plane, sketch, and here I will draw a rectangle, draw a center rectangle like this, give it any dimension, and then I will also draw a circle. Click on the sketch view and then draw a circle like this, and now trim the extra part. So I want to trim this, also this line. Now click OK. So we have created this profile. So now turn off all the datum display. I will go to swept blend. Now inside the swept blend you can see nothing is selected. So first of all we need to select a trajectory or the curve. So select this curve and now you can see some options are highlighting. After we select the trajectory, we need to go to the sections. Now inside the sections you will see sketched section, selected section. And right now we have not created any profile. So we are going to create profile inside the swept blend command. For this we need to select this option sketched section. Click on this section. Now for this section, first of all we need to select the starting point. Click on the starting point, select the vertex. We can select any of the point here. Let's say I will select this point. So this will be our starting point. Here you can define any rotation for reference. Initially take it this as a 0. Click on the sketch. So again we need to create a profile here. Click on this circle and draw a circle of any dimension. Click OK. So now we have created one circle. We need to insert one more profile. Click on insert. Click on this sketch. Click on this section 2. For this section 2 we need to select the location. Click on this and here I am going to select this point. Click on this point, that is our second point of the curve. Click on sketch. So here I will draw one more circle. This time I am going to select the circle of some different radius. So let's say some bigger circle. You can also take similar value circle. Click OK. Now let's try to rotate this. You can see this has created a swept blend from this point up to this point. And for the swept blend you can select this as a surface. Again we have similar option like thicken feature, remove material, like this. Again you can continue selecting multiple sections. So click on this insert. Here select the location. So let's say this time I will select this point from here. Click on this point. Click on sketch. This time select the circle of some different radius or same value, whatever you take. Click OK. And in the last time click on insert. You can see this point is highlighting. Click on sketch. So draw a circle like this. Click OK. Now I will click OK. So you can see in this way it has created a variable swept blend. So in the swept blend we can select multiple profiles. Once again I will go to the swept blend. Go to edit definition. In this edit definition you will see some options like tangency. So you can define the tangency with respect to any other curve. Here you will have some option like selecting the cross section. So here it is going to highlight the cross section. So you can insert the value of area or you can define by perimeter. Click on no blend right now. To select the tangency we need to create different cross sections of swept blend. Only then we can define the boundaries. For example, if you want to select the reference, here you need to define a tangent. So right now we don't have any reference surface. So in the entity one, you need to select the surface. Click cancel from here, click yes. So after that, I want to define one more type of swept blend, that is, so let's say I will delete this sketch. Right click, delete this. Now I will turn on all the datum planes and then click on this default orientation. Click on plane and I want to create a plane at any offset distance like this. Click OK. Now for these planes, what I do, I will go to the sketch. Okay, click on this, cancel, sketch. I will select this front plane, sketch. Okay, from this plane up to this, okay, take the reference of this plane and this plane. Draw a line. This line will be our path. Click OK. Now onto the bottom plane, I will create a sketch. Go to sketch, select this bottom plane, sketch. Here let's say I will select a rectangle or any surface. Okay, initially select the circle. Select a circle like this. Click OK. Similarly, for the top plane, I will select the sketch, select this top plane, click sketch. And here I will select circle. Draw a circle like this, click OK. Now I will turn off all the datum planes. Click on swept blend. In the trajectory, I want to select this line. Now go to sections. So we already have the section profile, so I will go to selected sections. In the section 1, I select the circle. Click on insert. I will select the section 2. Click on this as a surface. So now you can see a swept blend has been created. I will click OK. Now what change I want to make is, I will select the swept blend, right click, delete this. I will go to this sketch, that is sketch 3. Click on edit definition. Now onto this sketch, what I can do is, okay, I will cancel this and I will make change into the second sketch. It will be much easier to understand. Click on the sketch 2, edit definition. Instead of creating the circle, what I do is first turn off everything, turn on everything, and then I will go to the delete segment. Here I'm going to define a center rectangle like this. Click OK. Now turn off the datum planes. So this time we have a rectangle and we have a circle. What I want to do is I want to create a blend of them. Swept blend, select this line and then go to selected sections, selected here. First of all, select this rectangle, click on insert, select the circle. You can see it is not going to create a swept blend and you can see OK button is not highlighting. So what is the problem? In this situation you can see in the section 1 has 4 sections. It is going to highlight here. If you go to the section 2, that is a circle, it has only 2 sections. So whenever in the swept there are not equal number of sections, it is not going to create the swept blend. So in this type of situation you need to insert some extra blend vertex. Right now you can see section 2 has lesser vertex. So select the section 2, click on add blend vertex. Now it has 3, we need one more, 4. But again you can see the swept blend once again is not proper. It is because of the orientation. The end point or the edges or you can say vertex are not aligned properly. One thing you can do is you can try pick and drag them. You can see this is the direction highlighting. I can make a double click on this. Once again make a double click, or you can pick and drag this like this. So with this method you can try to change the rotation. Similar thing you can also do for section 1. Click on this section 1. So let's say I will pick up this arrow. Okay, pick up this arrow. Double click on this. You can see direction has been changed. You can also pick up this, hold down the left click and pick and drag this. So it is going to change the orientation. And once again you can see still the swept blend is not proper. So in these types of situation, what you can do is I will click cancel from here. Go to this section 3, that is the circle. Click on edit definition. I want to break this circle in 4 parts. When we break this, it will have equal number of parts. But the location of breakage is very important. So I will go to this reference. I will take reference of this existing rectangle. Click on this close. Now I will draw some center line from this edge up to this edge, from this edge up to this edge. Now go to divide. I am going to divide the circle at this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Press escape. Now you can see this is first part, second part, third and fourth. And you can see the division is corresponding to the edges. Click OK. Now let's try to create the swept blends like this. Sketch. Click on swept blend from here. Go to sections. Selected. Select this rectangle. Insert. Second. Click on surface. Click OK. Now you can see this time it has created a much better swept blend. So these are different options of creating the swept blend.